Think about the last time you tried to squeeze just one more utility pedal onto your board. You probably realized there was absolutely no room left for another heavy brick. That is the exact moment this dual expression pedal starts to look like a genius invention. It is a compact solution to a very messy problem. Most of us want control over our sounds, but we hate the clutter. This unit gives you two expression outputs in a single rugged box. It feels like it was carved out of a solid block of metal. The manufacturer has a long reputation for building gear that survives world tours, and this pedal is no different. The housing is incredibly tough. The movement is precise. It has a physical weight to it that screams professional quality. When you put your foot on that rubberized surface, you feel an immediate connection to your tone. It does not feel like a toy or a cheap plastic substitute. There is a perfect balance in the tension of the rocker. It is stiff enough to hold its position if you take your foot off, yet it stays smooth enough for those delicate, micro adjustments. You can sweep a filter with surgical precision. You can pull off those long, haunting volume swells that define a great ambient track. One of the biggest wins here is the total lack of digital jitter. We have all used cheap controllers that jump around or create digital noise when they move. This unit is dead silent. It is incredibly responsive. You are not dealing with any lag or glitchy transitions during a solo. You can assign the first output to your filter and the second to your delay mix. Now you are manipulating two different worlds of sound with one single motion. It makes your performance feel more fluid. You are not dancing around trying to find two different pedals at once. You just focus on the music. Setup is a breeze. There are no complicated menus. There are no firmware updates or strange drivers to install. You just plug in your standard cables and you are ready to go. It plays well with almost every brand of gear out there. Whether you use a massive multi-effects unit or a collection of boutique stomp boxes, it just works. There are a couple of things to keep in mind before you buy. There are no light indicators on the unit. If you are playing on a pitch black stage, you have to remember which output is controlling which effect. It requires a bit of mental mapping. Also, there are no digital presets for things like expression curves. It is a very hands-on analog experience. You are working in real time. For some people, that simplicity is a massive pro. For others, it might feel a bit old school. But that is the beauty of it. It is a reliable, no-nonsense tool that clears up space on your board. It turns a crowded mess of wires into a streamlined workstation. It is about getting the gear out of the way so you can just play. If you value your pedalboard real estate, this is a massive upgrade. It is reliable. It is smooth. It is built to last a lifetime of stomping. You get that professional feel without the professional headache. It is the kind of gear that stays on your board for a decade because it just does its job perfectly every single night. It simplifies your life without sacrificing any of the expressive power you need to stand out. It is built like a tank. It behaves like a high-end instrument. It is the silent hero of a well-organized rig.